Hey everyone, I got a new hydrometer to review. Want to see more about it? Stick around. Hello everyone and welcome back. Recently Kyle over at Brewing America had sent me their latest hydrometer kit to do a review video on. Now full disclaimer here, they did send it to me for free and I agreed to do it in exchange for doing this video to share with you, my viewers, my honest feedback and opinions of this new hydrometer kit. And they're not paying me though, so this is my own personal views and opinions. So now on to the details here, right? So now, if you remember a few months back, I had done another video, a video clip in context of a larger Brew Day video where I showed the previous model hydrometer and flask in use there, and it worked out real well. I liked the high quality materials. It was glass. It was just well-made device. So when Kyle asked me again recently to take a look and show off their newest version, I said absolutely, send it my way. Well, when it came here, I was really quite surprised at what had changed about it. I mean, for the most part, there's not a whole lot you can do with the hydrometer to make it better, right? You stick it in your flask, you put the beer in there, you read, right? Well, as anyone knows with who's ever used a hydrometer, it's a kind of a pain in the butt, right? So you have to pour your beer or your wort into the flask, and it's usually above the calibration temperature that the hydrometer is calibrated for. So you usually either have to sit it in the fridge and let it chill down for a while, or you have to adjust for the temperature that it's reading at via a chart that that's usually printed on a card or on the product packaging that comes with the hydrometer, right? So now you have to go out and find it, dig around your archives, your cabinets, whatever it is that you store your gear. Hope you didn't lose it, hope it didn't get wet and ruined so you can't read it, right? This thing solves all that because it has, drum roll please, a built-in temperature and gauge, thermometer, and adjustment correction factor chart all in the bulb of this hydrometer. So if you look closely at this thing, on the left side in the big bulb part of the hydrometer, on the it's a thermometer, right? And on the left side is the temperature reading, on the right side is the correction factor. So now you don't have to go around and looking for your little piece of cheat sheet paper to make your correction factors or wait for the fridge to chill this thing down. It's awesome. So I gave this thing a go. I actually had a beer on hand I want to do a final gravity reading on. Actually, this beer, just as a little bit of background, is the beer that I made with the charity auction winner that I auctioned off back in April. And I had opened it up from a local auction, and I allowed you, my viewers, to bid on it. And one of my viewers, Shane, actually did win and had the winning bid. He came down a few weeks ago with some family. We brewed, had a great day. It was awesome, fun times we all around, right? Well, the beer is now finished. I had to keg it for him, so I took this opportunity to use it as my test and review beer. So I went ahead and filled this beer up with the beer. It's a Hefeweizen, by the way, and I went and put the hydrometer flask in there, read it at 1.010, I think it was, and it was above temperature, about 70 degrees, right? So I'll go from one side of the chart to the other, and it said add a point or two, I can't remember now, and I added that to there and it was done. I didn't have to go dig around for that sheet or chill it in the fridge first. Huge time saver. I've been doing this the old-fashioned way for close to 18 or more than 18 years now, and I can't believe this little simple but innovative feature added to a hydrometer had been missing and lacking in all these years that I've used hydrometers. I mean, it's just something so like self-evident that you're just surprised that it hasn't been there before. Well, Brewing America did it. I'm happy they did it. I love this hydrometer. I'm going to use it from now on. Cool, right? So, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe. There's a little subscribe button on here, and if you can ring the bell, you'll be notified of all my new videos as well. All right, give me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of this new feature and of the kit in general and anything else that you might want to throw my way, all right? All right, other than that, I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.